right, guys, so you first want to start with something that you can kind of get this little, there is that cover right there, right here. This is the part number. Okay. They are not expensive. You will be looking for something that looks like this. Okay. Right here. All right. It says HPS on it. And you're going to get a little pick. Well, this one isn't little, but you're going to get something to pry. And it's more than likely going to break. They are fragile and old and bitchy. See, it's cracking like crazy. But they just kind of let go of the fabric. See? You just kind of break. So that reveals our little hex screws, and thankfully some numbskull has been in there, but they haven't fucked it up. So sometimes I had one that came stripped and I could have like murdered somebody. So I will get the proper tool. I will be right back. Let's see, I got a few different options. Nope, it's not 25. Or not now, maybe at one point it was 25. Struggling. Woo, it's hot. Holy shit balls. Well, duh, Josh. It's been sitting in the sun all day. Okay. So now, the only thing that I have to say is you want to be really careful when you take the A-pillar off. You don't want to bend it. It's already super fragile. So you just want to let it come out. Down here, where you guys can't see it. So down here, right there, right there, you really don't want it to bend because it will crack. And if it cracks, then we're going to be fishing plastic bits out of there because the new one won't fit properly. So, come on. Oh, and there's all the plastic bits that come exploding out at you. So here we are. So under here, you have to be very careful because this is your side airbag. It's your curtain airbag. But that's what this cover is, and that's what that HPS is. It's head protection system. Again, this plastic is incredibly fragile and it will just kind of crack, and it releases the fabric super easy. See, like I don't even really have to pull it. I don't even really have to pull. It just comes off. Like there's no, I mean, if you really wanted to, I guess if you're like an interior guy, you could recondition these, but I just throw them away. I just throw them away and I don't spray any sort of like adhesive on them and reuse them. Why? I don't do them enough. I mean, these cars are the ones that I sell the most of, absolutely, but I don't, it's just not me. I mean, I don't know. So let's find the driver's side one. So this is our driver's side HPS. And I think this is our driver's side one. So driver's side, here is your part number. Let's see, can you see that? Oh, is it upside down? No, it's not upside down. There you go. There's your part number. So this is one of those things that I was talking about earlier in the Chrysler about you know, vendors. I do go to the dealership for so you want to make sure, of course, because this one has light colored interior, you want to make sure that your hands are clean, which mine are, because this is very clean. There's no blemishes, obviously, brand new. So here we go. So what you want to look for here, let me get you guys off the sunroof. Hold please. So what you're gonna look for is there's gonna be a little hole right here. See that? So that is going to be where the bottom right here goes into, and then the rest just kind of falls into place. So let's go ahead and get that in there. I can't do it with one hand, so you guys are gonna have to go back up on the sunroof, so hold on just a sec. We will now put this in. Sorry, I had to let you guys cool down. Your eyeball overheated, I think, so let's see what we got. There we are, it's in. So you just kind of give it a little bit of a push and guide it. Bit of a trick. There we go. There we go. Just got to give it a little bit. You have to be gentle with it. You can't like really shove it in. I usually try not to be as aggressive as I just was, but you can usually kind of wiggle it in. And then what I do is usually I have a trim puller here. So, I'm like right in front of you guys, sorry. So what you'll notice is when it's in properly, it will, all of the holes for the screws will automatically just line up perfectly. We are back. One of the screws fell. Okay. There we are. So you take our thing, we aim it this way, and it will click in. Click, 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 click. Oh, hell. Click. There we go. We're in. All right. Easy. And it looks so much better. It looks like a normal car. All right, so again, here we are with the passenger side one. It is hot as a motherfucker today. Holy hell. All right. So again, let me see, can you guys see it? Yeah. So again, what we do is we look for that little hole. It looks like someone was in this one as well. This has been changed. So this is new. But the good thing is that it's not deployed. I actually did have a 3 Series come in one time with the side airbag deployed, and I couldn't sell it for obvious reasons. So there we are, right? Sorry for my fat head going in your guys' eyes, or eye. There you go. But hold on. What is going on over here? Oh, what is going on? So I always do each side first. So I do the top and the bottom, and then I'll do the middle just to get it kind of sort of in place. Sweating so much. Ugh. There we go. We're done. Now we throw away our shit. We get ready for the next part that we're gonna put on. I can't decide what that's gonna be, so hold please. There we are. Our A-pillars are done. They're finished. They're nice and pretty. There you go. Looks like it should look. Look how perfectly that fits. I would much rather just buy new ones. I mean, I think it was $140 total for new A-pillar covers than to have them refinished and have them refinished with a different type of fabric and have it look cheap. That's a no-brainer. I think we'll probably end up doing intake flap, or what they call the butterfly flap, what I call the very expensive box of plastic. We'll do that real quick. So hold please.